Great day, everyone. The Bible tells us that as a man thinks, so is he. This book, The Law of Positive or The Power of Positive Thinking and the Treasury and Enthusiasm of Joy, happened to be my teachers when I was around 25. So I have learned in summation that you cannot achieve your goal or dream if you do not have that burning desire to succeed. So whether you want to go abroad, you want to become a nurse, you want to become a doctor, that would not happen, specifically if you have financial challenges, if and when that desire in your heart is not burning inside you. Yung tipong mag-iinit ka dahil ang kahirapan mo, kaya ang nanay mo ay labandera, kusinera, ang tatay mo driver or farmer. Marami ng success story ng life. Tanungin natin ang mga taong iyon. They always survive poverty and the challenges in life because they thought they can do it even with those obstacles. At una sa lahat, ang alam ko na mga taong nagsasucceed in life ay may Diyos. Whatever you call Him, God the Father, Jesus Christ, Allah, whatever, Muhammad, Buddha. These people succeed in life because they believe and they have faith in one unseen hand guiding me and impelling them to hold that dream in their hands in reality. Thank you for listening. Do engage and comment, and I can walk you through. Just message in the comment. Salamat mga kaibigan.